Hey guys, I am so glad you're here today because I have been waiting and excited to do this video on my facial care routine. A lot of people ask me, the products I use, how do I keep my face clear and things like that. Also come into my 40s, and what I have found out that even though I still feel beautiful, I still feel young, I can tell the effects of aging in my face a little bit. We have these laugh lines, we have these eye bags, and then thinking about the future, I just want to be able to keep my face as glow as long as I possibly can. So I had to start thinking about better ways than just washing with a bar soap and water and slapping some lotion on my face. I can't do that my whole life and think that my face is not gonna see the impacts and damage of that. So today, I'm specifically talking to my ladies who feel like or want to take care of their face, want to do a better job with elevating their skincare, or just for ladies who may not know or may not have a routine. So today I'm gonna give you some more tips and hopefully introduce you to some new products that I use that have worked for me. Also trying to be more natural and more intentional on the products and things that I use. And at the end of this video, I am hoping that you have been introduced to some new things, learned some things, and just overall understand the importance of taking care of your face, especially as you're growing older. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I stated before, I used to use just bar soap, and honestly I've just stopped recently using it, so don't judge me. And I have found, my daughter actually found, she used to have bad acne, and so she had found and researched into some things on Castile soap, and this has chemicals in it, but most of it has it's like citric acid. It has like coconut oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, lavender, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil. So I love this. If you guys are not familiar with this, they do carry it in Target and Walmart and on Amazon. You may not be able to get all the scents at all places, so that's why I say all of those stores. I have the tea tree and I also have the peppermint. I usually use this one for daytime, and they use the lavender for night because it's supposed to be comforting, and I love lavender. I can like literally anything in lavender I would love. I don't have sensitive skin, so this didn't bother me too much. You may want to do a patch test if you use this, but it is safe to use. But some people can't do scents or essential oils or something. You might have a slight reaction, especially if it's the first time that you've used it. But another thing, always wash up. Always wash up on your skin. I forget, honestly, the scientific reason or the health reason, but I just know to always do it. And I always do like circular motions, if you don't know. And then I also include my neck because I want my neck. Your neck gets wrinkled and saggy too. So, do the same facial care, excuse me, that you do with your face, do that with your neck as well. So yeah, back to this stuff. Do a patch test on it. Guys, this stuff is used for everything. It has it on the bottle, like what you can use it for. I know people that use it in their laundry. They use it on their body. Wash with like your mopping. It's more of a natural way to clean and to do those things. And you have like all the essential oils, and then they have bigger bottles in this. So like if you're doing mopping and laundry and stuff like that, they have like commercial size bottles. So I'm in love with this stuff. If you can't tell, it's called Dr. Bronner's. I don't think I said it. Dr. Bronner's, excuse me, let me get that right. And I'll have the link as well posted. The other thing with this, it feels more like, it's not oily, but it feels more like oil than it does soap. I don't know if you can tell. It's not like a huge latherer, is that the word? But soap doesn't have to lather to be cleaning you. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's something that they put in as a marketing thing because people feel like if it doesn't lather, it's not cleaning, right? Okay. So I also have this little fancy face brush that helps, penetrate and I usually use this with my exfoliator, which I'm putting on next. But yeah, so I got my soap on there. Okay. So now that's done. Am I glowing yet? I just got some in my eye. When you dry your face, do not use a towel, a face towel. You know, we're known to not use, obviously we don't want to use our body towels. Guys, if you're drying your face with your body towel, I need for you to stop. And I used to use a separate face towel, but now I know better and know that that can still carry bacteria in it too. So we use a paper towel, wipe it, excuse me, I'm supposed to be patting. Wipe, pat, dry, and toss. That way we eliminate all that, okay? So let's not use the towels anymore. I didn't really need to dry that much. But anyway, I have my exfoliator. This is a grapefruit exfoliator. I love this. I got this from Perfectly Pink. She's a small business. And this has grapefruit essential oils and a couple other things in it. Palm butter, rosehip seed oil, things like that. I love this. I love exfoliator, period. But basically, if you're not familiar with exfoliator, it's just to help remove the dead skin cells even more. It has a little grit to it. Some of them have moisturizers. It just depends on which one you get. So you can get any exfoliator. Also, I learned recently that I'm not really supposed to do it every day. Probably like this hair on my nose. Probably like 3 times max a week, okay? Because you don't need it that much. And I guess it could be damaging to your skin. I say I guess because like I said, I just learned this. But just take it from me. 3 times a day is plenty. And then don't forget your neck. Sometimes I use like the exfoliators on my, well, like the sugar scrubs and stuff on my elbows and your knees, girl. Yeah, that's the best, because after you rinse it off, you know, you get that baby bottom smooth skin, and it is awesome. Okay, so this is usually what I use this. You can see they're really soft. It's not hard, and I don't know what this is for. I never hardly use it. It feels good though. But yeah, we just rub. Do you guys have a favorite exfoliator? Because after I run out of that, I don't know if I want to get some more, but I have to have one that I can pick up fast too. I have to order those, and they don't come as fast. What do you like? What do you guys use as your facial cleanser? I'll do that for a little bit. It's good to massage your face, get the blood flowing. So this is I got an extra couple minutes. Also, I'm making a video, so normally doesn't take that long. So I'm like a busy person. I don't have time to do 10-step routines all the time. So trust and believe that you can shorten this up. Okay. Another tip that I picked up for whiteheads. Sorry, I keep going out the camera, my stuff. I don't have a big counter right here. My bathroom that has a lot of lighting doesn't have a lot of counter space because I have a pedestal sink. So anyway, all my stuff is on the side. But the Q-tip method for getting whiteheads, I don't think I have any today, but basically I just push the Q-tip alongside my nose, make sure I got all the goodies out of there. Ooh, I ain't get nothing, but still, ugh. But yeah. Oh, I do have a question for y'all. Pores. These large pores I dislike them very much, right? And I have yet to find anything that is pore minimizing other than drinking water. But yeah, I need y'all help. Do y'all have anything that you have used that has worked? Because I sure haven't. I have not. All right, so after my Q-tip, I usually do my toner, and I also have one from Perfectly Pink that is aloe and cucumber, and I just spray it and I let it air dry, and I love the way that feels. It's just so refreshing. And then I also use Thayer's, is that how you pronounce it? But they have it's alcohol free, and it has a lot of they have a lot of different scents too. So this one's rose petal. I also have a lavender one, but for right now I have been using the Perfectly Pink brand because I just really fell in love with her products. They are awesome. So after the toner, I'm gonna go in with some eye cream. Again, I don't do this every day. This is just special, you know, when you are trying to work on those bags, you can do a little eye cream, just pat, 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 pat. This one is by Glam Glow. It's called Bright Eyes. You can also use cucumbers, of course. Lay them on your eyes for like 30 minutes. If you have time when you get up, or like at the end of the night, or if you just have a day where you can take care of yourself, also make time for yourself, okay? But what was I gonna say? Oh, tea bags. Tea bags, like warm tea bags. You squeeze the excess water out and lay them on your eyes. Honey, let me tell you, not only is it soothing, it like relieves your eyes, especially in the morning. Like, I know we don't have a lot of time in the morning, but man, if you can make like 15 extra minutes to put those tea bags on your eyes, it helps relieve all that tension from you not getting enough sleep. And it just feels wonderful. The older I get, the more I feel tension in my eyes. I'm not sure if it's, you know, due to the effects of aging, getting older, or just not getting enough sleep, both. But it works. Green tea bags are the best. You can probably use any tea, like peppermint, whatever that you're not sensitive to, but green tea bags are the best, okay? So just heat them, wet them, wring them out, put them on your eyes. Also, I have these steam eye masks, and there's also those eye masks that have like the little gel or the liquid on them that look like football players, little underneath things. My terms are horrible. So this one, I think this is the one where, did I heat these up? Anyway, there's different type of masks for eyes, and these cover your whole eyes. When I use these, they look like maxi pads on my eyes. Lay there for 30 minutes and they felt great though. Also, more tips for your face, guys. When you are laying down, first of all, make sure your pillowcases are clean. I have satin pillowcases for my hair protection, but make sure your pillowcases are clean. You're washing those regularly. If you have sensitive skin, obviously don't use like any detergent on. I'm sure you know that. And then also, when your cell phone is resting on your face, it has bacteria and dirt from your hands and from your day. So make sure that you are wiping your phones down like at least once or twice a day, so that you're putting it on your face, wondering why you're breaking out right there. That's probably why. So make sure you get some cleansing wipes. I'll have some linked. There's some from Amazon that I get. So that's important, okay? All right, now one of the most important things is your moisturizer. And unfortunately, I just ran out of my serum. And hey guys, it's me. I had to interrupt the video because when I did the video, I did not have my special serum. So I made some before I edited the video. So now this is going to be cut into it. All right, this is my Glow Up. It's what I call serum. It's a little janky because I just had the labels that Amazon gave me. But anyway, I wanted to show you the serum, and then it's made out of essential oils, and then I have what I call Rockstar drops. This is the anti-aging one, but I'm going to show you the Glow Up one first. So I usually use probably about 3 to 4 drops. I don't know if I said that already. Maybe I said a different one, but I'm going to use, you can, if you have dry skin, obviously, use whatever whatever is good for your skin. I would start off small and then see, because when I first started, like I said in the video, I put too much on and it was oily. So anyway, not sure if you can see it in this lighting, but y'all, this stuff makes my skin glow and it feels so good. It's moisturized throughout the day. It just makes me feel really good. So definitely find you a good serum. I probably will be selling mine as soon as I do some more experimenting with them and get my branding and stuff together. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do. All right, back to the video. And I'm gonna tell you something about facial serums. I was not big on them because, again, like my face gets oily. So I'm like, that's just gonna make it too oily. But I went ahead and I tried some from Perfectly Pink. And when I tell you, I cannot go back. I cannot go back to lotion. I cannot go back to anything. Like I have some moisturizers, but the all natural oil serums not only gives me a peace of mind to know that my face is not going to be, you know, it's not going to age or be damaged with all these chemicals, but the way it made my face feel, whew, I had to cut down, like the instructions were like 5 to 6 drops, right? But I had cut down to like 3 because when I initially put it on, it was too oily, but I just cut it down, reduced it, and now I can't go without. There's also a way that you can make make a sunscreen or put some stuff in it in your serum that helps protect you, because a lot of sunscreens have titanium dioxide and other chemicals, and they're just not good for you. I'm just learning a lot more about how to take care of your skin and things that you consume, and a lot of the stuff they have out is just not good for us, guys. So we gotta be more careful, okay? So now I got my moisturizer and I am almost done. I just have to take care of these lips. Again, this is a sugar scrub. You can also make these, you know, with sugar and oil. This one is watermelon and it has sugar, coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, flavor, and iron oxide. But I love this stuff, guys. And I put it on with my finger. You're supposed to really do it with a rag or probably like a toothbrush, but I'm always a little lazy, so I just do it with my finger. And this stuff tastes good too. But lip scrubs are life. See? And then you rinse it off with a rag, which I'm also not doing. That's that. We'll be good to go. This is a chapstick, which you can't read anymore. It's mocha. But this, I also use chapsticks that are not, that are mostly chemical free. This one has avocado oil, coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, flavor oil. So even if you're not using some of the products or the name brands that I have put on here, most of which have been perfectly pink, you can still go, you can still be on the lookout and be aware of, you know, certain things that you're using, because I think it is important as we're getting older, and then as this world has evolved, they put more and more things, more and more chemicals in our products, and then we wonder why we're not feeling good or not looking our best. And that's one of the reasons, guys. So all my 40+ women who are trying to keep their beauty, guys, make sure that you are taking care and looking at the things that you are putting in your body and on your body, because that makes a world of difference. And the biggest, most important thing that you can do is drink your water and mind your business, because baby, you will get that glow every time, okay? So seriously, guys, get your rest, because that tops the products any and every day, okay? Love you guys. Thanks.
For more self-love tips, make sure to hit the link on the screen. Thanks for watching.